In this video, I will teach you how you can create this type of video. First, create a new video project. Now on your Elements tab, search for jungle for your background. Adjust its position. Now search for animals. Make sure you click this 3-dot. Then filter animated. This way you will get moving objects only. Select the elements you want and adjust their position. We need to animate as well. Now to animate, click on this bird, then click on animated. Then click on this bee icon. Then move the object from one side to other. Select movement style to smooth or steady. Similarly, we will create a walking person animation. Search for background. Search for moving object by filtering animated only.